This is a Dirt Trax exclusive.
Off-roading and trailers pretty much go hand in hand, and over the years we've owned more trailers from more manufacturers than I can shake a stick at. But recently I was able to go down and see what actually goes into the proper manufacturing of an aluminum enclosed trailer, and not just follow along with what happens, but actually have a hand in the design and the features that go into it, custom building the newest trailer for our Dirt Trax fleet. And the company I visited is TOW TEK Trailers, a custom trailer manufacturer located in Mitchell, Ontario, who pride themselves in custom designing and building the highest end, coolest, and most functional aluminum power sports trailers that I've ever seen. It's not about pumping out dozens of trailers per week. It's about building a trailer that is structurally strong, durable, and here for the long haul. And everything right down to TOW TEK's unheard of 5-year warranty that lets you know that these folks mean business and stand behind their product. When it comes to custom builds, TOW TEK is here to answer your requests and find a way to make it work. Now for us, we were picking a 16-foot dual-axle aluminum Transcend and adding so much custom stuff that I'm just gonna have to walk you through the whole process. It's pretty awesome. Right from the frame of the trailer, everything is custom. It's all cut to perfection from beefy aluminum and built on 12-inch centers, roof, and floor, so this trailer withstands the abuse that we're gonna throw its way. The team of welders at TOW TEK pride themselves in craftsmanship, and you can see it right down to the smallest of welds. Everything from building trailers fully supported on the frame instead of supported on the wheels means that you're going to get a straight floor and roof lines when completed. Wiring is run through the frame and not strapped to the bottom of the trailer where road debris and snow can rip them off, or weather can crack them and deteriorate over time. Added lighting, built-in electrical, heating systems from propane to diesel, awnings, solar, whatever you want, TOW TEK can do it and do it well. Now our 16-foot by 7 Transcend is built for our custom 6-seat lifted side-by-side. You might be saying, hey AJ, a lifted 6-seater isn't gonna fit in a 17 by 6 standard size, and you're absolutely right. And that's why when I asked TOW TEK, they said, hey, we'll just build this to a 7'6" opening. So that gives us all the room in the world that we need to fit our custom build, no matter what we put on it or how we lift it. When it comes to the inside of the trailer, you want to have storage space, but cabinets are traditionally cookie cutter products from the trailer manufacturers we've worked with in the past. Not TOW TEK. They custom build in-house every single cabinet in every trailer, from the simplest V-nose helmet cabinet to custom wall cabinets to utilize every inch of available space. They're custom designed, bent, cut, welded, bolted, and riveted together to ensure that you get a perfectly finished, perfectly fit cabinet every time. And the craftsmanship and the time taken to ensure this speaks for itself, as we were able to follow along with every step of a cabinet being built from start to finish. And let me tell you, the finished product is impressive, with tight precision tolerances and impressive build quality and strength. When you get cabinets built at TOW TEK, you get cabinets that will stand up to the test of time. Now once the frame and wiring are prepped, the trailer rolls into the finishing shop, where it's then going to get its exterior skin as well as its flooring. And it's pretty cool to see a trailer go from just a shell of a frame to a finished product that's starting to look like an enclosed trailer. Now we opted for a white and black with a chrome transition strip in between, just to add a little bit of a custom look to it. Now taking extra steps like pre-grinding all the surfaces that adhesive will be applied to, as well as caulking all the panels from the inside, ensure delamination or popping is a thing for the other trailer manufacturers, not for TOW TEK. These extra steps at every turn are why a TOW TEK trailer is a better built trailer, and why it lasts longer. But don't just take my word for it, let's ask some of TOW TEK's own dealers who've chosen to sell TOW TEK and why they and their customers keep on coming back.
So one of the reasons, the main reason was 8 years ago, I was looking for a trailer that if I was gonna go buy a trailer for myself and I was gonna write a check out of my account, I wanted something with quality. I wanted something built in Canada. I got a hold of TOW TEK. I came out, I took a look at their build, 12-inch on center. It's a superior product. But then when you show them what is underneath the skin, because you can hide a lot of stuff with skin. So you show them how the trailer's built and how they stand behind it, and it's a no-brainer. I'll put it up against anybody.
Yeah, with TOW TEK trailer, they'll customize anything you want. Size, shape, form. They can customize colors, details, 5-year warranty. Normally their competitors are about 2 years, so it's an extra 3 years worth of warranty. And if there is any issues, it gets looked after right away.
Now our 16-foot Transcend is also going to feature a full generator wiring kit, which means there's going to be a plug on the outside to plug our inverter into, and on the inside and outside we're going to have power ports for charging batteries, running TVs, and even plugging in a cooler or whatever else we might want to have when we're on site in an event. We also opted for a full air conditioning package to keep us cool and a diesel heater built in to ensure spring and fall filming adventures have a warm place to stop. Outside, we'll have a full awning to keep us and our rig out of the sun and rain, and we even have exterior and pop-up interior 110-volt plugs for connecting anything we can think of. Custom cabinets give us plenty of space to store our gear on, any trips that we might take, and the 3/4-inch Drymax floors have also not only been sprayed with a bed liner, but sanded, holes filled, and precision sprayed so that there aren't any bumps or holes to distract. Honestly, this trailer is a thing of beauty. Interior lights keep us working even when the nights go late, and with all the cool upgrades added to this trailer, we are ready for anything, anywhere, anytime.
Hey guys, Ron here from Totech Trailers. When we were approached by AJ and the team at Trax Television, they gave us an idea of what they wanted for their ideal trailer. So I'm going to take you through and show you what we built them. First off, when you come into any one of our Transcend series trailers, you'll notice that we have an outside step to help step up into the trailer. This is a standard feature on all of our trailers. We've also put the door, you'll notice, on the driver's side of this trailer. Instead of trying to crawl around your side-by-side to get out of the trailer, that you can actually exit out of the driver's seat of the side-by-side and right out the driver's door. This trailer also comes with our Totech polypropylene flooring. Comes with a 32-inch RV man door with a screen door and a window. We put lots of tie downs in the floor. We've offered them upper and lower Tech cabinets built right here at Totech Trailers. We included diesel heat in this unit for those cold nights when you're out off-roading. This trailer also features a deep cycle battery, air conditioning in the ceiling, lots of spacious room for helmet storage in the top cabinets. And one of the nicer options that we put in this trailer is actually 7 foot 3 inches tall to accommodate their large side-by-side that they have. So you added a fully insulated wall and ceiling package. These walls are actually what we call ACM. It's an aluminum composite coated panel that you can't dent it. It's literally take a beating to this thing and it'll hold up for many, many years. This trailer also features our tow and glow light package. It's actually hooked in conjunction with the deep cycle battery. So this trailer, when you unhook it from your truck, you've got your hydrant, you've got your 12-volt lighting all working off the battery. 3 floodlights for loading your gear at night. When you put the light in the upward position, your floods come on solid. When you put the switch in the downward position, these floodlights now work as reverse lights. So when you put your truck in reverse, it actually floods the trailer behind you so you can see where you're going. This trailer also features our shore power product, giving you accessibility to hook a generator up to this trailer and power anything inside that you want, which would also includes powering the receptacle on the inside and your air conditioning. This trailer features a 14-foot powered awning with an LED light strip under the awning. And the biggest feature this trailer comes with is an unheard of 5-year warranty and everything but wearing parts. Obviously, we don't warranty wearing tires, but anything happens to this trailer bumper to bumper in 5 years, you bring it back here, we'll take care of it for you. That's just something you're not going to get from any other company.
Now, it's also important to note that Totech doesn't just do enclosed aluminum power sports trailers or open deck galvanized trailers or open deck aluminum trailers. They are also one of the leading manufacturers of custom concession trailers here in Canada. With a deep history in building incredibly creative, innovative, and functional aluminum concession trailers, Totech is the brand of choice. They've been doing it for years, and the sheer number of cool and unique trailers that they've built is staggering. If you're in the market for a concession trailer, make sure you check them out. No matter what you want, no matter the simplicity or complexity, they find a way to make it happen. It truly has been eye-opening to see the difference between a rush-produced, cookie-cutter aluminum enclosed trailer and then a properly produced, time-taken, custom-built Totech aluminum enclosed trailer. It's amazing the differences that you're going to see. 5-year warranty, all of the cool custom work available. Totech is the brand that you need to look into if you're looking for a new custom enclosed trailer, and you're going to be able to see our 16-foot Transcend with DirtTrax labeling all over it anywhere throughout Ontario, the United States, and at your local event.
Make sure to subscribe and comment below for real interaction with the DirtTrax crew.